Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today I have the Classic 10 10.1 HD digital Wi-Fi photo frame by Dragon Touch. Now, I've had other Wi-Fi photo frames in the past, and I've seen some newer ones, but they all have these crazy cloud subscriptions, and you know, I don't want anything to do with that. I don't want another subscription payment. And this one here does not have any subscription, no monthly subscription, no annual. So I was like, yes, let's check it out. This is way newer than the one that I had in the past, which actually still works really good. But this is new, 10.1 HD screen, again by Dragon Touch. There's a iPhone app, and there's also an Android app for it. It has 32 gigabyte built-in memory with an SD expansion slot, so that's really cool. And it says it can support up to 40,000 photos with that built-in 16 gigabyte memory. It will play photos and videos, easy operation. You can invite friends to share their own photos, so that's kind of cool. Maybe you want to give it to, you know, someone that's going away to school or something, and everybody can send, you know, photos to it. Could be a lot of fun. And again, it's that 10.1 HD screen, 1280 by 800. So let's go ahead and take a look and see actually what's in the box. So the great thing about the photo frame, if you remember when they first came out, you know, you can put them on the SD card and install them if they were in your house. The great thing that I love is that you can give this to a family member that you're not close to, and multiple family members or friends can all send their pictures right to this photo frame and keeping it constantly updating. And if it can support up to 40,000 photos, I mean, it will constantly just rotate, and it's great. My grandmother actually has one that we got her and loves it because all the family can just send stuff because she's not, you know, logging on to Facebook and places like that. So in the box here, so you just took off the top there, we got our foam and some of our coverings there. Take that off. That's pretty cool. We got the actual photo frame itself. Now it is plastic, but it's a heavier plastic, and it actually does look like a traditional real photo frame. And then you have your power button, micro SD card, your audio, USB slots, and your power. So we have that, as well as a screen protector on here that you're going to want to remove to get started. Then we have a quick start guide, so a bunch of different languages, how to download the app and all that fun stuff. And then we have the box here. Nothing else in there. We have our little Wi-Fi antenna. Let's see if that's what that is. Nope. It looks like a Wi-Fi antenna. It's not. So this is going to give it that lean feature to sit on a desk or, you know, a desktop. So you can either do it that way or hang it on a wall. That screws in and out really, really easily. Also in the box here, we have just a additional USB cable. So I'm sure you can transfer photos that way. We'll learn more. You can check that out in the review, as well as the power supply. So we do have the power supply. Now this one, it does not take batteries, so keep that in mind. You're going to want to keep it somewhere close to where there's a power outlet, which most of these will need some type of power because of having that Wi-Fi feature. But overall, that's what's in the box of the Classic 10 10.1 HD Wi-Fi photo frame by Dragon Touch. Pretty cool. Looking forward to checking this out to see actually what it looks like, how easy is it to use. You can send it from the app or email. Tons and tons of really great features for family and friends to be able to submit those photos to them. So there you have it. Look for that review. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.